In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion template using only ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will help you unlock the creative potential of combining these two powerful tools. First things first, we'll need to head over to Google. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter Google's website URL in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, type ChatGPT into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of search results related to ChatGPT. Now the next step is to click on the official ChatGPT website. You'll be directed to a page where you can access the magic of ChatGPT. The interface is user-friendly, so even if it's your first time, you should find it quite straightforward to navigate. It's time for us to type a prompt. Think of ChatGPT as a creative brainstorming partner. Here's an example prompt that you might use. I'm creating Notion templates. Give me unique, buildable ideas you don't usually suggest. By requesting unique and buildable ideas, you're asking ChatGPT to consider fresh angles that can help your Notion template stand out from the crowd. Once you've crafted your prompt, the next move is to click on the Submit button. This action sends your request to the algorithm, and you'll receive helpful responses in return. ChatGPT will provide you with interesting ideas, inspiring elements, and practical suggestions tailored to creating a Notion template. With those initial ideas in hand, let's refine them further. Type another prompt in ChatGPT like this. Give me an outline for a template idea and tell me what databases, properties, and layout it should contain. This prompt is designed to obtain a more detailed structure, guiding you on how to organize the components of your new Notion template effectively. After typing this prompt, click Submit again. The insights you receive should outline a clear plan, specifying what databases and properties to use, and suggesting an optimal layout for your Notion template. As you proceed, consider customizing these elements to better fit your specific needs and style preferences. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to leverage ChatGPT to create your own bespoke Notion template. Keep experimenting with different prompt ideas to discover even more creative possibilities. Thank you for tuning into this guide on creating Notion templates with ChatGPT today. We hope you found these steps insightful and enjoyable to follow. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more how-to videos and tips. Until next time.